This was the day I went to Australia for the first time. My flight was in the evening, so I boarded a bus to Narita from Yokohama Station, checked in my luggage. It was my first time getting a heavy tag, and then I signed a piece of paper revoking my visa in Japan upon leaving. It was a very emotional trip. I flew Jetstar, didn't get an entertainment pack, so tried to play Tetris, but oops, had to pay, so just watched the map until we landed instead. Landed at 7 a.m. and got to meet Sippin, the community cat, for the first time.
Sippy's followed me into my room. I just finished taking a shower. You're waiting for me, Sippy. Aren't you? It's just you and me here, Sippin. Aww. Oh, I love you. I love you, Sippin.
I had my first walk in the area after my nap, met my mod's other animals, so cute, and saw animals I'd never seen before, like a black swan and a water lizard. Then I went to my first Australian beach, had fish and chips for the first time there, and it was amazing. Scalloped potatoes and deep fried Mars bars. But the highlight was meeting Sippin. See you in the next adventure!